3 out of 4. Okay. All right, doing another test stream today. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully it goes well. Let's see. All right. Yeah, doing another test stream today, seeing if everything is good and solid. Today I'm using Restream and I'm not using EVMux, so hopefully it works well on this platform as well. And if you are watching, say hello. Tell me where you're from. If it's your first time here, let me know. I appreciate y'all being here, taking out y'all's time to be here. Okay, we got one on X, one on YouTube, one on Twitch. I don't. Okay, let's see. Okay. So what I'm seeing from this stream so far, Rumble is not working again. So this is the second time. I need to actually, let me see. Am I streaming on Rumble? Nope, there goes Rumble. Okay, good. Rumble is now officially working. All right, sweet. But once again, say hello if you're here. Let me know where you're watching from. And stay tuned for the show. Okay. All right, I think everything's pretty good. Rumble's up, Twitter's up, Twitch is up, and YouTube's up. So everything is up and running now. So I think this is pretty good. Last time I did a live stream, a multi-stream, Rumble was not up. So I like that it's working today and it's not given me any issue. The only thing is I cannot see any chat in Rumble, and I can't see chat on Twitter. But other than that, that's fine. That's a win. It's better than the last stream, so that's a win. Let me see. But anyway, today I'm going to be looking at the market. Let me know if y'all could hear me in chat as well. If you're watching from Twitch or YouTube, Twitter, if you could hear me, let me know as well. Rumble, if you could hear me, let me know as well. I just want to know if y'all, the audio and the sound is good. Let me know if the quality is good as well. Let's see. So far, everything is looking pretty clear. 2, 3, 1. Okay, got it. All right. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna jump to the chart. I'm not gonna spend too much time here today. I just want to see if everything's running well. Give me some feedback if you are in the chat, and let me know. For some reason, I don't know if y'all are speaking and it's not coming up on my end, but it's not showing up if y'all are chatting with me. Just to let y'all know. But other than that, the quality of the video looks good on my end. I don't know how it looks on your end, those that are watching tonight. Let's see. Let's look at that. Twitter watching still no comments. That's fine. Maybe it's coming in on the other dashboard. Let me check. Let me see. Nope, nothing in on the other dashboards as well. All right, I might have to just wait patiently and see if anybody just chats, because it's not showing up on my end. But like I said, today's a test again. I want to make sure everything's smooth before I start sprinting doing this streaming game again. I'm taking a look at gold right now on the daily time frame. Gold hasn't been doing too much. Oh snap! What's up, Samantha? How you been? It's been a minute. Nice to see you. How's the audio? Does it sound good? Does it sound clear? I might check. Yeah. I hope everything's been well with you. It's nice to have you here, and I hope well we could talk again soon. You said, let's see, the volume is low. Ooh, let me see if it's my mic. No, that's good. You said the volume. Okay, let me see how I fix that. I wonder if it's. Let me see. You said the video is good. Are you streaming in 1920? It should be 4K, honestly. And no, it's not a Mac. No, it's not a Mac. It's a custom built PC. Yes, a custom built PC. I have to look at the specs before I just say what they are. But it should be running at 4K. If not, it downscaled to probably 1980 to be played on Twitch. Cause I'm doing a multi-stream right now. Okay, sounds setting to check input on the mic volume. Let's see, audio. Let's see. You know what? Maybe it might be this. No, I can't do that. No. Let's see. Oh, it's not gonna let me change my audio during the stream. That sucks. So I'm gonna have to do another test stream at another time, but it won't let me change the audio features while streaming. I don't know why, but other than that, I'll have to check it and see what's up with that. But I am glad everything is up and running though, because last time I did a stream last week, everything was working. It was glitching, and also what else was happening during the stream? Rumble wasn't working as well. So when Rumble didn't work, I said, you know what, maybe I might have to exclude Rumble, but I tried a new multi-streaming software, and so far this one is pretty good. Okay, cool. All right, you could hear me with the volume up. All right, sounds good. I appreciate the feedback. But other than that, man, yeah, finally back to streaming. It's been a minute. The last stream, besides last week, it's been a year since I streamed. But finally back at it and doing this again. Yeah, I'm looking at gold because I've been trading gold. Me and my homeboy, if he jumps on tonight, but I doubt it because he's probably going to stream tonight. But me and him have been looking at gold. And when he was doing his live stream on Twitch, I was telling him to go for a long on gold somewhere in here for not a long time, but, just get in and out of the market somewhere in here. And it lasted for like a few days, and then we got out. Then the market dropped back down to this support level. So now I'm trying to figure out if we're going to drop down again or if we're going to, start looking to go back to the upside. But looking at this now, based off what I'm currently seeing, I'm leaning towards a bearish market for gold. The only thing I don't like, because looking for a bearish trade is this in here. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Let me take Ichimoku off for a second so I can explain this. I don't like how this market is looking in this area. It's consolidating. We have like 4 days of consolidation. We have 21 hours until this daily candle closes. But other than that, I'm waiting to see if we could break out this range. And from one of the things that I do, I call this a mother stick candle, where you have, candles ranging within one candle. And when you have more candles ranging within one candle, that's a good opportunity, good chance to start looking for opportunity for a potential breakout. So no trade here yet for gold based off the daily, but looking at it, let me look at TDI as well. TDI also says we are overall still bullish in the market. However, this has been dropping off. If I want to get in on a trade based off of this, because it measures the direction, the volume, and the volatility of the market. Seeing and looking at this, I'm waiting to see if the red line angles back to the downside. Right now, it's pointing up, at a slight angle. But what I want to see to take a short here is this, like the red line start to slant to the downside. So that'll give me a good indication. But right now, I'm not looking to take a trade yet on gold. There's no reason based off the daily. Now, if I'm going to go to the hour time frame, that might be a different story. Let's see. Now, if you see here, still ranging on this 1 hour time frame. So I'm not. It's nothing pretty to be trading here yet. If I'm gonna trade, I'm gonna just trade the tops and the bottoms, and then take those trades there, and that's it. So if I'm really gonna take a trade, it's gonna be based off the one. No. It's gonna be based off the 15-minute or the 5-minute time frame. Let me go to the 5-minute to get a better look. So yeah, the 5-minute time frame will be a better opportunity to look for a trade based off what I'm seeing here. I'll just wait till it touches the top or the bottom and look for a trade, and then see if it matches up with the TDI. And usually TDI is pretty good at telling me when to go short in a ranging market. So that's what I'll be waiting for. Yeah, planning is definitely key for sure. And are you still trading at all? Do you still trade, Samantha? Because I know you were trading at one point. I don't know if you're still trading, but I think you should if you aren't, because the market's looking juicy lately. Definitely looking juicy. Looking here, I think, like I said, I think it's good to go. If you're trading just price action, and there's some bearish divergence forming on the 5-minute time frame. So this might be a good short here based off what I'm seeing. So if there's any traders watching right now at this current moment, look to go short on gold. Personally, I would not short past. I would not short past this level. I would start to look like maybe like 9 pips or 90 pips here, and make that a thing. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at right now for a short. Not for a long time. Stop loss, keep it at this level. The reason why I'm keeping the stop loss there, since this was our last high around this level, I'm going to keep it slightly above that level. So that's what I'm looking for as far as a trade, but it's looking good. You said I haven't in a while, but my account is funded. Nice. I'm actually in a trading competition right now, so I should actually be looking for trades to take, but I just want to test the stream today. You said I want to commit to a 90-day compounding 10% daily growth with small trades. Nice. Do it. I know you can. I've seen you trade before. I think you're pretty good at trading, so I think you should go for it. Definitely go for it. And plus, trading's fun. Why not? So yeah, here's the trade Honestly, I want to wait till this candle closes, but if you're impatient, if you're a type of trader that just likes to get in the market, just jump in now and have a tight stop. And at that point, it's up to you. I'm not even worried about what this pair is gonna do at this moment. I'm just looking at seeing what I'm just going by what I'm seeing right now. I'm not going by any feelings or nothing. I'm just going by my strategy and how I look at the market. You said, I know I can. It's scary becoming a millionaire. No, it's not scary becoming a millionaire. The thing that's scary is the people when you become a millionaire. That's the scary part. Now, if that's what you mean, then yeah, I agree. But becoming a millionaire, no, that's the fun part. We are an emotional trip. Nah, no feelings over here. Let's see. Who's the second person watching on YouTube? He said, okay, that's what you mean. I got you. Nice. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. So yeah, that's what I have for gold. Gold, I'm just gonna just watch it. 19 seconds left for the 5-minute candle to close, and then after that, probably we'll move on to the next pair. Gonna look at Bitcoin next because it is supposed to be a crypto analysis stream, but whatever. But I'm gonna look at that next. Let's see. Gold is trying to. You know what's interesting? The other thing about gold right now, before I move on to Bitcoin, I'm seeing this divergence, which is good. The only thing that would like hinder me right now from, which could happen. Let me put Ichimoku back on real quick. The other part that could happen is we could bounce off this cloud and start moving to the upside, and I'll explain why. Because just because we have divergence does not mean that the market is going to move in that direction. Oh my goodness, why is it not going? There we go. Why is it doing this? I don't know why my mouse double clicks for me. It's weird. So the reason why we could do this is because sellers could still get absorbed right here, just because we have that bearish divergence. And usually if that happens, that means that the market's going to push back to the high to test again, and then this is ideally where you want to go short. Here it's fine just because there's divergence, but ideally the market wants to come back here. And also another reason, we are making a in-wave structure as well. So that's why the market could move back up, which is trying to do now, which is what I'm seeing. But I would still take a risk taking that short, just because it's really tight. It's just right there. It's not that high. So that's just my idea of taking the trade. I still like it to go short. Now for Bitcoin, let me go to the daily. If y'all are in my student Discord, I called a short on Bitcoin up here. I told my students to go short around this area, and I even posted it in the main chat of Discord. I said, well, I posted it like a week later, but that's not because I was mainly focused on my students. But told my students go short. Most of us got out around the 64K range. We didn't catch this part, but we could have if we just stayed in it. Probably should have stayed in it because there's no reason to get out of this market. TDI is showing us that the momentum's bearish. Ichimoku showing us that the direction of the market's overall bearish. But, you know, sometimes you just got to not take that risk, and you just got to take what you can out of the market because you never know. Sometimes it just reverses on you out of nowhere. But looking at it, I'm still looking for a short on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still showing some bearish tendencies, especially on the monthly time frame, which I'll get to after I break down the daily time frame. But looking at it, we just had some price action on Bitcoin let's see, 2 days ago we had a shooting star uh, pattern, or you could call this a dragonfly. Oh no, no, not a dragonfly. A gravestone doji, which is a bearish signal for sellers to come into the market. Which you had 2 days of sell off right now so far, which is what I'm seeing. We also have some resistance up here at 64k, and also we have some support down here at this fractal level, which I like to see if we test that again. We also have some support down here as well at the 60k level. So I am seeing that. Excuse me. But other than that, I like to see a short in here. And TDI is very bearish right now. The baseline of the TDI is still showing bearish tendencies. So we might get that Bitcoin crash that I've been talking about on Twitter. Excuse me. Oh my God, I have the burps for some reason. But we might get that crash that I was telling people about. Let me tell you why, going back to that monthly time frame, which is why I think the market's going to crash. I've been saying this for quite some time, but this is why. We have some big divergence on the monthly time frame that's starting to kick in. Bearish divergence at that. And we are way overextended on the monthly time frame as well on TDI. So last time we had something like this, we had it back here and it dropped, came back to retest that 70k level before it made new all-time highs. Then it dropped all the way down to 15k, and then it came back up. So I'm anticipating another drop, but this drop, I don't think this drop's gonna be too bad. My reasons why, looking at Ichimoku, it could be bad, but I'll break that down in a second. The reason why it won't probably be as bad as the last one, we are seeing some support in the TK zone between the Tinkerson, the Kijisen, our red and blue line here. That's between the price of 44k and 53k. So we could bounce off 53k or come down closer to the 44k level and bounce to the upside between the TK zone. Now, if that fails, let me show you the ugly truth of what could potentially happen as well. Because the market is not always kind, so let's be honest. But we are making a M pattern or a double top, or in this case a triple top, but I'll say an M pattern or double top for now. But market could really drop back to the 15k level and probably even the 29k level, because that was another level of support. But the worst case scenario is dropping down to these lows here, the 6.4k level, and also let's see, the 13k level. Is it gonna happen? It's not likely, but it is a possibility that it can happen, and I'm not gonna overlook it. We have a fractal level that has been tested. Also, the market made an S wave as well before it took off. So this was the S wave right here. And then the market took off to retest the all-time high level. Did make a new all-time high, and then it just started moving sideways for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 months. And now it's starting to look like it's getting weak in this area. So that's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin so far. I do think Bitcoin may look to crash with the rest of the market. However, I don't think it's going to be crazy. Like, unless something like hectic happens, like people start, getting their crypto stolen, or there's some laws that are in place that are coming against crypto, then I'll expect the worst of the worst. But right now, this is what I have for Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin is gearing up for a drop to the downside. And if y'all never heard that, y'all heard it here first, because I've been saying this for a while. If it ranges here, it's not going to look pretty. All right, so that's my analysis on Bitcoin. Got to take a look at XRP. This is everybody's favorite that watches this channel so far, so I should have started off with that. But XRP still a loser coin for now. No offense to XRP holders, but it's not. It has not done anything significant for since 2017. We might get it again if the market could break, bounce off this trend line, But looking at it, it's not looking good on TDI. The momentum is bearish, just like it was with Bitcoin. I've been saying this for a minute. I do think market's gonna crash, and a lot of people are gonna get shaken out because a lot of the big money is trying to knock people out. I do think XRP will fall to 32 cents. And if it breaks 32 cents, I do see it falling back down to that monthly support of 16 cents. And if we break lower than that, the worst of the worst case scenario for XRP, and I entertain this because I seen crazy things happen in the market. But the worst of the worst case scenario for XRP, we fall back down to the 3 cent to 5 cent level, which has not been tested, to let you know. XRP has not tested and has not proven itself at this level. And anybody that trades fractal know that the market usually likes to retest fractal levels. It has not tested the 4 to 5 cent range. Actually, what range is this? 6 cent range. 4 to 6 cent range for XRP. So this is the worst case scenario. Can it happen? Anything is possible in this space, but is it likely? Probably not. I do think it can happen looking at the market, but I think looking at what I'm seeing now, I do think we're going to get a test at 32 cent, and then if it breaks there, then we'll see it probably fall back down to the 16 cent level. Let's see. Joe Biden butchered the market for crypto. Yeah, he sure did. he decimated the market for sure. I agree with that. Dang, you can't even say hi. You come in here talking about please do Velo and Zai. That's crazy. like, dang, like if you're gonna come in here, at least say what's up. You come and talk about please do Velo and Zai. Come on. Come on, bro. But what's up to you, Byzance? This is my first time seeing you. You're talking from Twitter, I see. So we got a Twitter comment. But dang. Okay, so good. You said so you do have manners. Okay, great. You said hi, hello. Okay, cool. So let me see. You said Velo and Zai. I've never even heard of those, but. It's not even. Oh no, hold on. I have it on futures. Oh, so you've been on my YouTube channel? Okay, got you. Hey, you gotta call people out, Samantha. Shoot. Velo, is it a stock or is it a crypto? Because I don't see. Well, let me just wait. Let me look. It's a stock? Okay. Oh, wow. This stock is crazy. Okay, you said a long time. Okay, gotcha. So it's a crypto. Okay, you took a minute. Okay, let me look again. Okay, here it is. Ooh. Ooh, this is ugly. I'm not liking this. Hold on, let me see. I don't like it on the monthly time frame. You have price action in here that's bearish. I don't like that. However, there is support here, so I'll look at that on a smaller time frame in a moment. But on the monthly time frame, this is looking very bad. You have a few things that you could look at. You could look at it going like this. We have a trend line here at this level where market could fall to this level and bounce off, which could be a good sign. You do have support here where it could break this trend line support, make support down here it bounced to the upside. Worst case scenario, it falls back to the lows, way down in here. Not even 1 cent yet, but you know, it could turn into 1 cent eventually. But looking at this, I don't like this price action that's bearish. That's the only thing I don't like. Now let me drop down to the daily and go from there. Actually, let me go back. Let me mark this level. Let me mark this level as well. That's marked. Is this marked as well? Okay, everything's marked. All right, cool. So coming down to the daily now. Like I said, there's price action that was in here on the monthly, so which is why you have this market moving to the downside. We are sitting at support right now, at this fractal level support. So this is your saving grace. You want to see the market hold here. You want to see some price action in here. If there's no price action, and this is, I'm not talking about as a day trader, I'm talking about as an investor. You want to see some type of price action. If you don't have any price action, I wouldn't even bother looking to go long yet. The other thing is, looking at the TDI, you did get some of a, let me see. You did get somewhat of a reversal signal here, but it just got rejected off this bearish fractal. Let me draw that up. It did get rejected in this zone. You could also see it as an order block too. This was sellers coming into the market at this level. So sellers buyers pushed it back to this market. Sellers dropped it back down to this support. So depending on your trading style, you could look at this as a fractal level or an order block, which is where big players in the market like to push price back to, and as you see here, and they drop the market really hard, which is why we got another drop here. So looking at this, I want to see, to go long for you, look for price action. I can't give you any more information than that because we might not get it for like maybe a couple days. We might not get it, for a couple weeks. So I can't really give you a full breakdown on this to go long. But if you're gonna look for price action, I would look for maybe like a bearish, a bullish engulfing candle, maybe a morning star pattern, maybe a doji to start signifying to say, hey, maybe take the risk. But right now, I wouldn't bother getting in here yet. It's not worth attempting yet, not yet anyway. And your other one was Zai. Let me see. You said I have to go do some mom stuff, but I hope to catch you again soon. Yeah, thank you, and tell the kids I said hey. I hope they remember me. But I'm glad to have you on the stream, Samantha. We'll catch up. Probably hit you up maybe afterwards, or maybe on Instagram somewhere. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, have a good night and God bless. Let me see. Zai was the other one. So Zai. Ooh. Dang. This looks like a pump and dump. Look at this. Dude. Are you sure you want to? Hold on. Pump. Drop. Well, okay, let me not be too critical. Let me say you have a chance because you could make an in-wave structure, which could do this, and this will be the one-to-one measured move, which would take you to the price of $12. Ooh, that's a nice one. This is 36 cents. Ooh, that's not a bad risk right there. But if it does make a one-to-one measured move, boy, that's a big trade, a big investment too. Hold on. I'm just giving you a hypothetical because right now there's no support. So I'm just saying based off what I'm seeing here, you got this I wave and then it drop made a V wave and then now you have a potential N wave. An N wave will get you to $12. A drop from here will take you back to 2 cents. So let me take my time analyzing this because there's no support that I see yet to make this assumption or to say this, give you a decisive look at the market. But if it does go up from this point, man, you're gonna make, dang, that's a big percentage. 3,449% return on that investment if you enter the market and it does hit the $13 level. That's crazy. Man, if it hits that, then cool. Let me break this down further. I'm just gonna keep this up on the chart. Nothing is set in stone just yet. I don't like that. It broke fractal. Man, I wish I don't want to hype something up because I'm not a hype person. Yeah, the big if. But it's not finding any support. And it looks like it's heading back down to all-time lows or where it started from what I'm seeing. So looking at that, I'm not confident to say that you're going to get that $13 trade, which would be insane because I'll buy this if that's the case. But let me look. Ooh, well, you might have a... You might have a shot. Let me turn my lights. It's getting dark in here. Dang, that's bright. Dang, hold on a second. Let me adjust that light real quick. All right, that's bright. But let me break this TDI down on what it's saying, because the big if, like you just said, the big if, because it definitely can work out in your favor. The only problem, we have to find support. The TDI is kind of helping you out with that. The only thing, it has not shown signs of moving back to the upside yet because it's showing that momentum is still to the downside. It is saying that it's overextended, which is good for you because what it might do, and it has a good chance of doing this actually. What it might do, it might actually make support right here, which is what I'm liking. But the only problem from there is, can it get, past the Kijun and Tinkerson level? So you got. Let me just draw that out so I could explain what I'm seeing. So you got two levels of resistance in the TK zone. You got support and resistance between 45 cents and 50 cents. And from there all the way up to about 59 cents. So really your levels of resistance between 45 cents to 59 cents. Now, if you could break above here, go long. Let me set up an alert here because I'm actually liking this. This actually, anybody that's watching, you might want to look at this. What is it, Zai? Yeah, you might want to look at this because this is actually looking like it's going to be a mover. You said need some more food pics. Oh yeah, I'm the best chef. Well, not the best, but I'm a pretty good chef. But I'll post some food pics when I start cooking again. But looking at this, bro, this is looking nice. I'm gonna set an alert here because if it breaks this level, I will go long. And this might be a big mover, a potential big mover. Add alerts. Yes. Why is it doing that? Let me see. What do I want to be once? Let's see. I'm gonna just say potential long. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it right through. Wait. Yeah, continue anyway. All right. There we go. So yeah, that's what I like this. It may find support here. It may find support. This is a potential reversal candle. So I won't know until tomorrow because we still got 22 hours for this candle to close. But looking at this, I like it. Ooh, excuse me. I like it for a potential. Oh my goodness! I don't know why I have to burp every time I do a live stream. I always have the burps that come in, and I don't do nothing. I don't drink anything. I just drink water, and the burps just come. But looking at this, this looks like a good opportunity to eventually come. So keep your eye on it. I'll keep my eye on it as well. Monitor the daily time frame. Be paying attention if it breaks the 50 4 56 cent 58 cent level, and then start looking to buy back into the market. Now if you see a price action candle here tomorrow, let's say this current candle turns into a bullish engulfing candle, this will be a bullish price action pattern with these three candles. You could probably buy tomorrow, have a stop loss underneath the 34 cent level. So yeah, I do like this. I think this is a good opportunity if it plays out how I'm seeing it can. Yep. 22 hours. My bad. 22 hours. Let's see. So I broke down Bitcoin. I looked at XRP. I looked at Xi. I looked at what else? I looked at. What else did I look at? Bitcoin, Xi. That other one that Velo. So yeah. I looked at 4 pairs so far. Let me look at. I'm curious about Shiba Inu. Okay, so it's starting to make a reverse there. Let me look at Casino Coin. I do know some people watch Casino Coin or hold Casino Coin, so I'll take a look at that. Dude, Texas summer, tell me about it. Texas summer is trash. Oh my God. Dude, it is 100 and something today. I cut grass last week. I almost passed out. I was teaching my nephew how to cut grass because I'm not gonna be out here cutting grass all the time. So I wanted him to learn how to cut grass at my sister's place, and man, it was crazy heat. Not only did we have like some crazy heat, we also had like wasps flying outside too. So I'm like, man, I gotta worry about the heat and the wasps. It was pretty bad. But here's Casino Coin for anybody that is investing in Casino Coin. You still with? Nah. No, I just saw what you said. No. But looking at Casino Coin, let me drag this out a little bit. Casino Coin is not doing anything really special. It's just ranging in here. I said this a long time ago. I don't need Ichimoku for this. It's been ranging in here since 2023. Yeah, it's been ranging for quite some time. Since the end of last year. Well, not the middle of last year. That's at the middle. I'm tripping. The middle of the month of the last month of last year is what I'm trying to say. So from this point all the way to this point, it's just been ranging. You could, if you're investing, it's not like the best thing to invest in right now, unless you're just, catching the bottoms and taking profit at the tops and shorting or taking your profit here, then getting back in here, which could happen again. It could probably fall back down into this level, which is what I ideally want to see. But looking at it, we are sitting at an order block as well, which is right here. So the market could rip to the upside right in here, but market is playing games right here. Let's see. TDI is also showing us that we are potentially reversing here, so we might look to reverse at this level and come back in here for a potential 124% return, potentially, if the market goes all the way back to this level, because you can't say it's gonna go. There's no way. There's no one in the market could say where the market's gonna 100% go. But ideally, this is where the market is likely to push towards. It could like even stop right before that level and then come down. So anybody that's invested or looking at Casino Coin, this is looking promising right now for a bullish market. Now, is it going to break that? I don't know. But I would still look to invest there. But on the bigger time frame, looks like it's going to crash too. So get your last bit of profits, because this is what could happen. It could come up to here and then drop. And now I hope that's not the case, because I do like Casino Coin. The only thing I'm not happy with on Casino Coin is I don't like that this is coming to the downside. If this baseline breaks the 50% level or the 50 level, then it's going to look really bad there. It's going to look real bad there. Right now, sitting at the 51.18 level. So, just going to have to wait and see how this plays out. It's going to take a while since this is a weekly time frame that I'm looking at. But weekly time frame is not looking good at all. Overall. So, short-term buy, long-term sell. Anybody else from Twitter that have a request? And if you do, say hi before you just tell me something to do. How about YouTube? Twitch is quiet. Let's see. All right, so far so good. All right, nothing. All right. So I won't be streaming probably next week. I'm gonna get stuff together on Monday. I won't be because usually I'm a stream on Monday through Thursday. That's what I'm going to start doing. But I'm not streaming on Monday because Monday is going to be my birthday, so I'm not going to be streaming Monday. I'm gonna chill and have some fun. As far as what I plan on doing for streaming, this is too close. What I plan on doing market analysis on Mondays, and some gaming, and also doing some martial arts on Mondays as well, like telling you guys breaking down fights and stuff, teaching self-defense. So there's gonna be different type of content on here. Excuse me. And then on Tuesdays, I'm gonna be talking about the truth, controversial topics, and wealth. And then on Wednesdays, gonna be strictly playing video games. So I will be live streaming games. And then on Thursdays, I'm gonna do some relationship and advice for men and women, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do a variety of content, not just day trading, because day trading is cool, but I got bored with it just because it's, I'm more than just day trading, so I just wanted to do more than just that, and then I have some other ideas that I want to start implementing as well, because I do think I think people are just they're fixated on certain things. You know what I mean? And I think it's good to have a vast range in topics to talk about and do, not just be in one niche, so to speak. So I do think it's gonna be interesting as time goes by. Let's see. Looking at these comments. So no more comments coming in. Cool, cool. But other than that, let me know if there's anything else that y'all would like me to analyze. I just wanted to do another test stream today. Seems like everything is pretty good. Let's see. I want to test this out and see how it looks on the screen. So let me see. Alright, so this still looks good. So this is what the market is looking like right now. There's some green in the market. Sol, XRP, Cardano, Tron, DOT, Litecoin, Link, Doge, SHIB, and then you got some real red in the market. Bitcoin, obviously, with the 52.14% dominance. So the market is looking pretty interesting overall. But that's what I'm pretty much looking at right now. Nothing really special about the market. Nothing really to trade right now or invest in right now. The market is just trying to figure out what it wants to do. If you are an investor, take your time. Don't just jump blindly into the market. Do your research. Do your due diligence of looking at the market. If you are a day trader, take your time. Look for opportunities, because there's a lot of trading opportunities right now that are setting up, and some that are already formed right now. Take your time. But looking at the market overall, I think it's an optimal time to start day trading, to make money while investors are missing out on the money. Because you can make money going up or down in day trading, not in investing. Let me see. What other stuff do I want to look at? I think that's about it for now. Yeah, for now. But other than that, you guys, I hope y'all have a blessed night. I didn't want to be here for too long. I just wanted to do a test. I'm going to look at it. Byzance, if you're still here, how's the audio? How's the quality? Does it look good? Does it sound good? Give me some feedback on it. I would like to know if you're still here at all. Let me see. Boom, boom. And I am going to talk about some crazy topics very soon. So if y'all are in for that, and also join the Discord if you're not. So Samantha has said the same thing. She said the volume's low. I think it's just because, otherwise it's fine. Okay, good. All right, so I'll fix the volume and then go from there. I couldn't change it during the stream because it won't let me, because it sets itself when you're streaming. So I'm going to tweak that, and then after I tweak that, we'll be good. I think I'm going to stick with Restream versus EVMux, because EVMux, my whole my whole camera was like spazzing out on me. When I say that, it was like blurry, it was freezing, it was lagging, so I didn't like that. So I'm gonna stick with Restream. I got Rumble working. I'm gonna have more controversial topics and nasty stuff. I'm gonna talk about the real stuff on Rumble, but I'm gonna do that regardless where I'm at. Like, you know how I am. I talk crazy. I'm just getting back into the flow of it and starting to go slow. You told us back then about problems cashing out in government. Yeah, I did. Yeah, cause they're setting everybody up. they're setting. Well, I'm gonna just say it again. They're setting everybody up in this crypto space, exchanges. I said this way before it started happening, and it's when it started happening and people start taking off. I told people your crypto's not safe anywhere. Even if you think your crypto's safe, it's not, because remember the scandal when people's ledgers was getting hacked, and people said their ledger could have get hacked, and boom, their ledgers got hacked. I said it before it happened. And I was telling people everything that was happening before it happened, and I'm like, man, y'all don't listen at all. I could say the moon is falling, and the moon will literally be falling, and everybody's like, no, the moon can't fall. It's never fallen in such and such years. Why is it gonna fall now? And then they look up at the sky. The moon's getting closer. Like, I don't know. I'm kind of exaggerating, but I'm just saying that's how it feels sometimes. You could say, something's gonna happen, and it happens, and you know, I don't know. I don't know. People just listen when it's too late. I guess I don't know. But like I said, a lot of the stuff that I've been saying is happening now. I said it's a good time to just be patient, because they're waiting to shake a lot of people out of the market, because big money wants to get people out of the market. If you notice, all the people that have been becoming crypto millionaires and billionaires, they've been pretty much killed. And it's kind of strange how people that started off in crypto, they just got killed off out of nowhere. I think it's strange. I don't think people pay attention to that stuff. I think people are so worried about making money and getting in and getting out. I don't think they consider the reality of what's going on. But I'll go into that more in depth on another day, because right now it's the bloodbath's about to begin. It's just starting. That's also part of the reason why I'm coming back to help people navigate these markets, because it's about to get ugly. If what I'm seeing is about to happen, it's got to get real ugly. Yeah, it's scary, man. It's very scary. Very scary. But also, thank you for the feedback. I appreciate you giving me the feedback. I'll fix the volume for next stream. Hopefully, I got it working better than what I have it now. Because multi-streaming is kind of different, because you got to balance out everything. You got to balance out the audio. You got to balance out the video. You got to balance out the bit rate, etc., etc. So I had to be considerate of Twitch and Rumble, because first of all, I never streamed on Rumble, and Twitch is kind of weird because Twitch doesn't have a high, even though Twitch is mainly streaming, they lack what's it called? They lack 4K quality. So if they allow 4K quality, I would have been streamed in 4K and had no problems. But I didn't know how to adjust the audio for Twitch. So I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Multi-streaming is not easy. Streaming is easy, but multi-stream is not easy. You said I lost job from not taking juice shot. Oh, man. Sorry, man. I'm sorry that happened. Hopefully these investments that you have, shoot up. Like I said, the ones that I looked at for you, Zai and Vayo, they have some promise to it. Hopefully they make some waves, because a lot more blood could start happening in these markets. This financial crash, could definitely happen, especially with China, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Brazil, and them creating their own establishment in BRICS. So yeah, that's kind of a scary thing as well. You want me to put you on my prayer list? Is that what you're asking? Or are you asking me to pray right now? Yeah, He said sure. Well, sure for which one? To be on the list or to pray for you right now? Because either way, I don't. It's fine for me. Let me take a look at this real quick. Okay, I'll put you on a prayer list then, and I'll really pray for you. I'm not the type of person that just says I'll pray for you. No, I really pray for people. Just a matter of fact, someone asked me to pray for them just the other night, and I'm like, oh dang, it was like late too. So yeah, so I'll put you on my prayer list, and I'll be praying. I'll be praying for you. All right, man. Everybody from Twitter, everybody from YouTube, everybody from Twitch and Rumble. Appreciate y'all watching. I'm going to. I'm gonna join the Discord. I'm gonna put exclamation mark. Oh man, Luna, you're late. I was just about to leave, but hey, what's up, Luna? But no, join the Discord, you guys. If y'all have it already, it is Cloud Life. If you are on Twitter, jump on YouTube and hit the exclamation mark Discord or exclamation mark socials, and it'll come up. And follow me on socials. Let me test it, by the way. Let me see if it comes up. Okay, it doesn't come up for me. Okay, that's weird. But anyway, yeah, it should work. I might need to test that too. But anyway, the Discord is Cloud Life, and definitely check out the Discord. I'll have a full schedule in there. Sorry, Luna, by the way, because I couldn't stream yesterday. My nieces and my nephew were over, and they were loud, so I didn't want to stream with all the noise in the background because they be running, they be running. And then on Sunday, I did stream because family was over, so I'm sorry that I couldn't do that. Man, I don't. I wouldn't call me a good guy. You say you're a good guy from years back. I'm not good. I'm a okay guy. I'm a decent guy. It's hard to say it good because I have done. I can't say I'm a good. I don't think anyone could really say they're a good person, because if you're a good person, you don't do any bad. Good and bad don't mix. So I can't say I'm a good person. I'm gonna just say I'm a okay guy. You said all your name changes throughout the years. Well, yeah, I only changed my name 3 times. It started off as Cash Flow Nexus, then Overflow Nexus, and then I decided to put my real name on social media because why not? I think, and the crazy thing, I'm the only person in the world with this name, so I feel great. Yeah, having being the only person with that name. Well, at least the last name I'm talking about. Thanks for understanding, Luna. I appreciate you as always. Let's see. The reason why I'm multi-streaming as well is because I want to. It's easier to get people to talk, you know, on multiple streams because you can see the chat here, and eventually when I get bigger, you're gonna be able to see Twitch chat. You're gonna be able to see YouTube chat. You're gonna be able to see Rumble chat. I don't even know if my Rumble's connected to this, like the chat at least. Everybody will be able to see each other chat. It'll just be like a hub to just talk, and hear everything. You say your niece popping up on live streams too, and I know she used to just come in my room and just bust in and just say what's up and act like nothing happened. But now she knocks on the door. She used to just bust in my room, but now she knocks on my door. Kind of like, man, you gotta have some respect, girl. But yeah, she's grown up now, so she's better about it. But the fact that you remember that's funny. She's hilarious. But yeah, I've been yapping too much. I'm gonna catch you guys in the Discord. Y'all will know when I stream. Y'all will see it. Follow me on my socials. You see it at the top. Instagram, Twitter, Overflow Nexus. The Discord is Cloud Life. And you can also follow me on Rumble as well. Just in case I get canceled again, I'll be on Rumble. So I'll be building my platform on Rumble. But yes, just in case, because you never know. You never know. But I do appreciate you guys being with me tonight. I will catch y'all next time. Those that are joining in late, yeah, it was a random stream. Sorry. But I will be more consistent, and I will have a schedule put up in the Discord when I have it solidified. All right, y'all be blessed in Jesus' name, and I'll catch y'all. Peace.